Hey everybody, real special day today. Another unboxing video with Max, our boy, our love. But let's jump right into it. So I think, yeah, that's all that we had in there. We have the box. It's the cool box, guys. Very cool box, actually. Kind of a... It's like a normal kind of cardboardy, but you've got this really cool pattern on here. It looks kind of video game inspired, and then this really cool pull tab. I think that's pretty neat. Right on Nabalis. That is all I have to say. Okay. Okay. That's not gonna work. Thankfully, we have this. Yep. Seems pretty neat. Company called Slice. Little ceramic blade box cutters. They're not really sharp, they can't cut you. Pretty neat stuff. Alright. Here we go. There it is. We'll get there in a moment. We have... This is something I have not seen before. So, this has some sections. Why did we set out to design the canyon? Birth of the canyon, and what is the canyon? I'm not going to read all this right now, but I'll try to hold it up. You guys can take a photo if you want of the sections. And at the bottom we see Aaron Well, founder of Nabalis. Neat. Now, we can see they include one of their signature Torx drivers, which... This one looks... I don't know about the quality of this one. This one almost looks a little wonky. But these are really good pivot drivers. We have extra hardware. Yep, full set of extra hardware. And we have the balisong. That is it. Comes in a classic pickle sack. Here it is. Right off the bat, oh, there is oil on this, which is good because I didn't bring oil. Oh, that is different. Whoa. Oh. So something no one had mentioned online. This balisong out of the box is insanely quiet. Which, if I had to bet, is probably because of the coating. This acid washed black is probably the leading cause in why it's so quiet right now. It also has a ring to it, which I did not realize. I don't know if you can hear it. Max definitely hears it. Does it pass the sniff test? I don't know if that's a pass or not. Doesn't hate the smell. Yeah, okay, so this is interesting. This is very interesting. I'll be honest, guys. This does not flip like how I thought it would. And I don't know how I thought it would flip to begin with. But it's very balanced. It doesn't feel exceptionally... the balisong itself is not exceptionally heavy, and it's not a cheap steel balisong. There's a lot of nuance to the flipping experience. Anyway, this is the Nabalis Canyon, obviously. This is the black acid wash. There's also a silver. It is completely 420 stainless steel. And it is pinless, which is neat. If you don't know, it's called the Canyon because it was designed after an actual image of a canyon. This follows like the canyon, and that does too. It's really cool. Check it out on the Nabalis Instagram. They have a photo. It's pretty neat. Yeah, it's really interesting. The tolerances, well, tolerances are, they're good. They're not great. Which, at a balisong at this price point, no tap is really all you can ask for. If you're asking for more than that, you're being a little greedy. Sorry, Max. I'm sorry, buddy. Yeah, it's alright. Okay. He doesn't want to be pet. He just wants to chill, I guess. For the record, I did not invade his space. He came up here to be with me. So, he's here of his own will. Yeah, it's very balanced. I don't want to say whether or not I necessarily think it's handle bias or whatever. Neutral, because that's subjective, and you know, it's very subjective, and it's not something I'm super good at telling. I will say it fans well. I've got a cheeky backhand fan, a trick that I kind of forgot I knew how to do. Yeah, I mean, you can do a backhand fan. Let me compare that to, like, my Nautilus. Okay. Maybe a backhand fan's better than a Nautilus. Well, backhand fan's about as well as I'm able to. Another thing I'm really interested to try, I saw a video that said the Nabalis Canyon has perfect choker fans. So, I want to see that. Let's try a choker fan. Holy cow. Oh, they were not kidding. That is the easiest and the smoothest choker fan I have ever seen. Oh my goodness. That's actually crazy. It does seem like I might have been correct about the coating. It's already gotten louder as I flip it, which is expected. A little disappointing, because if it was just that quiet, that would have been very cool. I think quiet balisongs are highly underrated. Nautilus, very quiet, very nice. Because obviously I like a good sounding balisong just as much as the next guy, but having a balisong that you can flip around other people without it being too irritating is also a good thing to be. A good thing to have. Yeah, obviously I'm not exactly used to how it flips. But I will say, based on my initial impressions, this flips very similar to my preferences. Which is good. I'm someone, I like a lot of, I guess I'd say I like a slight handle bias. Like right now, like my favorite flipper is the Volp Pro false live blade, which I should mention, this is also a false live blade. Neither of these are sharp. They won't cut you. Goodbye, Max. He might need me to go let him out. Yeah, but neither of these are sharp, so you don't have to worry about getting cut. Of course, both of these, I don't know what I'm talking about, the Volp Pro. We don't need. The Canyon does come with a trainer version if you don't want to get a false live blade. I just think that the blade, the overall design of the false live blade looks cooler. And I'm definitely, impressed initially. I'm very interested to see how I form my opinions in the coming week or weeks. Right out of the box, I think it flips very well. It's pinless, so I'm going to be, we'll see how the handle gap holds up. Hopefully it is okay. I've seen most people's have kind of leveled out by now. But yeah, we are going to check back in with this in a week or so. Let you guys know how it's doing, but right out of the box, flips very well. It's a very capable flipper. I know some people had talked about it having kind of a weird balance, or that it felt weird to flip. I'm not personally experiencing that. Maybe more advanced flippers, people who have flipped more balisongs, would know more on that. But to me, it flips fairly standard. Yeah, I'll have to check in and see on that though. So, hope you guys have all had a wonderful day. If you're here from Will Hirsch and you've watched this whole thing, thanks. He gave me a shout out recently, which was super cool. I gotta go because my cat needs me. But yeah, hope you all had a wonderful day. Leave a comment. I read all the comments. And until next time, keep flipping.